This is an old Galaxy box fan. I can't remember the model number. I'll have to look it up once I post this video. This is actually a 2-speed version of the Galaxy box fans. I know they typically come with a 3-speed, but I wasn't lucky enough to get it, but oh well. It's still a decent fan. I remember I've seen these a couple of times in the various schools I went to, such as the nurse's office of the elementary school, which also had a Lakewood First Gen. It's got your typical plastic motor. Yeah, these were the motors that they used before switching to the Markham motors. Actually has a handle. I know these are notorious for losing handles. A square cabinet. Anyway, let's see it in action. Here's high. I think this is actually one of the later models since it only has one vent hole. I know the others there were ones where all the vent holes were open. So yeah, here are open holes. Alright. Unlike the other Galaxies, it has a cool motor sound. So. And that is my vintage Galaxy box fan. I'll see you guys next time.